In this video, I will talk about length of stay pricing in Rentals United. Length of stay pricing, or LOS pricing, is a great tool to attract customers that are looking for longer stays. There are two different kinds of LOS pricing, so before you start using this feature, it's important to investigate which option works best for the sales channels you are using. Using both LOS pricing models may result in duplicate discounts on the channels, so you need to be using either one of them. If you integrate your Rentals United account with a PMS, the API connection between Rentals United and your PMS may support both versions, only one, or none at all. So consult with our support team if you are unsure. On the Pricing tab in Rentals United, you can see the two different pricing models. Up here, you have the LOS pricing model, and down here, you have the discount length of stay model. In order to find out what channel supports what model, you need to download and review the Channel Connection PDF. You can find that by going to the Services tab, click on the Sales Channel, and click either Get Connected or How it Works. Scroll down and download the Connection PDF. In the Connection PDF, scroll down to the Price Model tab. Here you can verify if the channel supports length of stay pricing, and below you can see if they can support length of stay discount. You can also access the Connection PDF from the Help desk. Scroll down to the bottom of your Rentals United account and click on Help Desk. Click on Sales Channel and select the Sales Channel. Here you can download the PDF and you can scroll down to the same section to review the LOS pricing models. Here is an overview of some of the biggest sales channels and what LOS pricing model they support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful.